Bitcoin's price looks to be stabilizing after 6 weeks of downside pressure. But one person who is clearly a perma-bull on the cryptocurrency is Jack Dorsey, founder of Twitter and CEO of Square. Dorsey tweeted that Bitcoin will replace the US dollar and has previously said that Bitcoin would become a major currency, but had stopped short of saying that it would replace them. Whilst that's not impossible, there would be many hurdles to overcome before that could happen, the inflexibility and energy consumption of the Bitcoin blockchain being just two of them. Bloomberg reports that venture capital firms have pumped $30 billion into crypto-related projects in 2021, many of which will be built on the Ethereum blockchain. There are currently 214 DeFi or decentralized finance projects that have been built on the Ethereum blockchain, and the much anticipated but delayed release of Ethereum 2.0 should attract even more developers and projects to the cryptocurrency. Meanwhile, the Chicago-based CME Group announced this week that trading volumes in its recently introduced micro Ether futures reached over 100,000 contracts in the first 2 weeks of trading. A stable and liquid futures market is likely to be one of the criteria that the SEC will want to see met before it approves the launch of US-listed ETFs on Ethereum, which could happen in 2022. Ripple rose last week, taking its year-to-date gains to 324.39%. The Ripple token, XRP, gained last week as sentiment around its court case with the SEC shifted in its favor. Investors seemed to sense that things were moving Ripple's way after accusations of bias were levied at the SEC by Empower Oversight, a nonprofit, nonpartisan educational organization dedicated to enhancing independent oversight of government and corporate wrongdoing. The group has started its own legal action against the SEC, in which it alleges that the regulator has demonstrated bias in its dealings with and treatment of Ripple. Cardano has traded softly in recent weeks, but is set to close out the year with gains of over 600%. Its price may have found support on its daily chart at around $1.20, and it has traded back above its 10-day moving average, which sits just above $1.27. However, there is resistance between $1.40 and $1.42, and that will need to be overcome before Cardano can move to the upside once more. Coinbase is expanding and upgrading the services it offers to its customers and clients, and in its latest project, Coinbase has set out plans to make crypto assets more accessible in the metaverse via a user-friendly wallet. The Coinbase wallet will be modified to deliver what the firm calls a user-friendly self-custody experience in crypto and NFTs. Coinbase's modifications will make it easier for holders to use the wallet across different networks and decentralized exchanges. The upgraded wallet will be available in mobile and desktop versions and will support assets held on the Ethereum mainnet, as well as those on the Arbitrum, Avalanche, Binance Smart Chain, Phantom, Optimism, and Polygon networks.